Hi everybody, Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to my art channel. Today I'm pulling out a painting that I did a few months ago. It's called my Black and Pearls painting. I'll put a link to the original video for you now, and so you can check that one out. And today I've decided I want to put some embellishments on this painting and to just make the composition a little bit more pleasing to me. It's not really for anybody else actually. Everyone seems to think it's a great painting, but I think that it could be a little bit better with some embellishments. So I've got some DecoArt 24 karat gold paint that a subscriber of mine, Natalie, said I need to have a go using. She's watched another artist, Canella, using the 24 karat gold and suggested that I should see what I think of those paints and had I used them. So let's give it a go today, see what I think of the paints. So thank you, Natalie. And let's put some embellishments on my artwork and see what happens. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I'm going to try DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint in 24 karat gold. One of my subscribers on YouTube, Natalie, asked me if I'd tried it because she loves watching Canella Cacheo, I think that's how you say her surname, using it, and thinks that it's beautiful. And now I've drawn a circle on here. I traced around one of my bowls from the kitchen. Traced around a bowl and with chalk pencil. Where's my chalk pencil? Here's my chalk pencil. Pastel chalk it's called. And I just, what I don't use, I just wipe off with a wet cloth, then wait for it to dry, and we're all good. So my circle is right in the center of my canvas. I was thinking of doing it in thirds, but I ended up moving it. I put about 4 chalk circles on before I was happy with the location, this final location. Looks gorgeous on the black. Okay, and I'm going to bring it to here. I'm going to do over the top. So this blowout is underneath and this one is over the top. And the reason for that is I like this blowout more than this one. So I want to emphasize this top corner here. So coat number 1 is done, and I'll brighten it up when I let that dry a bit. I'll brighten it up with coat number 2. Okay, it's been a couple of days since I did this first coat with the DecoArt 24 karat gold, and it's very transparent, and I'm not sure if I want to proceed with this colour. I'm thinking that I'll go back to the gold that I used in this painting, which was light gold. And I'm going to do a thicker circle. I'm going to make the circle thicker. So let's go. Okay, that's looking good. I like that. I like this. It's looking good. Just needs another coat, and I think that will be just lovely. Looks like coming out over the top there. This coat I'm doing here is back using the DecoArt 24 karat gold. I thought it has a lovely sparkle to it, and so after I got the intensity with the Amsterdam layer, I decided to put the DecoArt back over the top to get that real beautiful sparkle coming through. The paint that I'm using here is the Amsterdam Pearl Violet, and just filling in the inside of the circle with a shimmer, so you can't see it from some angles, but you'll be able to see it from others. So I've added on some lovely little embellishments here, and I think that the composition finally works. Just some little tiny things like putting some little dots here, and I just love the pearl colours, so that's lots of fun. Anyway, I'll bring you in for a zoom around. Here is my artwork finished with a satin varnish, and I'm really happy with how these lovely embellishments have turned out. The composition is just fantastic now. Just with some tiny little changes. It's amazing the way that happens. So it's just a beautiful little artwork, really, really lovely. I'm very happy, no regrets. Thanks very much for watching, everybody, and I'm Kelly Driver, and I'll see you next time. See you later.